In March the following year, Hard Rock International announced they intended to acquire the property for $300 million, a near third the cost of construction in nominal, unadjusted dollars. They allegedly spent $200 million more to renovate and open it as the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino on June 28, 2018. They removed the Indian theme from the property and replaced it with Hard Rock's typical music and memorabilia-infused branding. The grand reopening was met with great fanfare and the company's traditional guitar smashing event, which featured actor Michael B. Jordan and Bruce Springsteen's drummer Max Weinberg. A steady stream of purple and gold balloons and confetti streamed down throughout the event, in what many hoped would be a turning point for the city. Opening festivities would be capped off by concerts from Carrie Underwood and Pitbull during the opening weekend. In addition to the hotel and casino, the revamped property now featured 20 bars and restaurants, the Howie Mandel Comedy Club, and the Rock Spa and Salon. By this point, things were looking up, as New Jersey had seen back-to-back years of revenue growth from the casino industry. Fast forward to 2025, and Hard Rock is outperforming their peers, seeing gross operating profit on the property grow 18% year over year to $26.2 million, namely from internet gaming and its sportsbook, but saw in-person traffic grow 12%. Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Atlantic City taking 19% market share on the boardwalk, second to only Borgata's 26%. The arena has continued to host concerts and other events regularly, and while things in Atlantic City certainly aren't great, they are a lot better than they were. If you're from Atlantic City, it's impossible to separate Donald Trump from his casino properties. And yet, our collective conscience has. Donald Trump was in his mid-30s when he began looking into the casino industry in Atlantic City, and despite never being able to make any of his properties profitable long-term, he was able to extract millions in cash and priceless publicity with the attention they brought before stepping away entirely less than 2 decades later. The Trump Taj Mahal was the most ambitious of them all, and while I think it was certainly too big for an unproven market originally, it seems that Hard Rock is finding a way to make it work, even as Atlantic City continues to rebound. And frankly, you can make anything work for the right price. And that mindset appears to be what saved the property, in contrast to Trump's constant use of bad debt to spend whatever it took to complete the project. I think it was really more of a vehicle for him than an investment. He wanted to use it to present himself as a bold, visionary developer who could achieve what others deemed impossible. The Taj Mahal was as much about building his personal brand as it was about creating a profitable venture, and once the excitement of it wore off, it really didn't matter to him anymore. I also think that it's important to remember that the New Jersey casinos were only one aspect of his empire, and while the bankruptcies were quite damaging, they only paint one part of the picture of Donald Trump's real estate career.